Investors are beginning to question the efficacy of the new plan by the European Central Bank to buy bonds in the open market in an effort to reduce borrowing costs for some of the troubled Eurozone members. A portion of that skepticism came today from Moody's Investor Service. They had a report inside their European Credit Weekly publication which suggested that the ECB plan may buy time, but it's unlikely to solve the overarching crisis inside the Eurozone. Effectively, what they said was that they would be able to lower borrowing costs for a short period of time, but necessarily that is going to have to be matched by a political will inside some of the indebted nations in order to change the structure of some of their sagging economies. We had evidence of that today, of course, in Italy, where the National Statistics Institute told us that the second quarter recession was deeper than anticipated, and it actually took the year-on-year decline in Europe's fourth largest economy to the steepest pace since 2009. Moody's also remind us that Spain has around 27.5 billion euros worth of bonds it needs to roll over in the month of October alone, and it's going to have great difficulty doing that if Moody's, as anticipates, downgrades the nation from its current BBB rating into junk status. We have also questions about the political legitimacy of the ECB decision, particularly from some senior members in Germany, close to Angela Merkel, senior members of parliament, I might add. They say that because the ECB's plan ties political maneuvering as with respect to changes in budgetary spending requirements to the ECB's bond buying plan, it may just point to the edge of the ECB's remit, and there are those who say it actually steps over that edge. So as a result, we're seeing investors back off some of their early optimism with respect to the ECB plan, and they're beginning to sell in small doses, it has to be said, the bonds of Spain and Italy. We'll have to keep watching this with great interest throughout the week and indeed the coming months to be precisely sure exactly how specific the ECB plan will be in order to address some of the overarching concerns as mentioned inside the Eurozone. We'll keep an eye on all of that, of course, right here at the ibtimes.co.uk.